a symphony of words. When you visit a new place, the best thing you can do is talk. Talk to everyone you meet. This is how you learn a new language and make new friends. My friend Nori came from Japan. He wanted to learn English, so he talked to me and my friends a lot. Sometimes, words in English can be tricky. Nori would get confused by words that sound the same but have different meanings, like see and see. I would explain the differences to him. I told him, "You see with your eyes, and the sea is the big blue water." Nori also learned some funny English sayings. One day, I asked him how he was, and he said, "I'm alive and kicking." We both laughed. Another time, he said he was feeling so-so. It was fun to hear him use our expressions. Nori learned so quickly because he was always with people who spoke English. He would even eat lunch with my friends and me. We would ask him all about Japan, and he would tell us amazing stories in English. If he didn't understand something, we would help him. We loved learning about his home, and he loved learning our language. Talking is like building a bridge between two worlds. It helps us understand each other and become friends, no matter where we come from.